Here we will see rich controls in ASP.NET. Controls which are not standard control and allow user to do some advanced functionality are known as rich control. Rich controls are built with multiple HTML elements and contain rich functionality. Although rich control is combination of other standard controls, it works as a single control. ASP.NET provides large set of controls. These controls are divided into different categories, depends on their functionalities. Different rich controls are as follows: file upload, calendar, add rotator, multi-view, and wizard. File upload control is used to browse and upload files. After the file is uploaded, you can store the file on any drive or database. File upload control is combination of a browse button and a text box for entering the file name. Calendar control provides you lots of property and events. By using these properties and events, you can perform the following tasks with calendar control. You can select date, selecting a day, a week or a month, selecting a day, a week or a month, and customize the calendar's appearance. Add rotator control is used to display different advertisements randomly in a page. The list of advertisements is stored in either an XML file or in a database table. Lots of websites uses add rotator control to display the advertisements on the web page. Multi-view control can be used when you want to create a tabbed page. In many situations, a web form may be very long and then you can divide a long form into multiple subforms. Multi-view control is made up of multiple view controls. User can put multiple ASP.NET controls inside view control. One view control is displayed at a time and it is called as the active view. View control does not work separately. It is always used with multi-view control. Wizard control is same as multi-view control, but the main difference is that it has inbuilt navigation buttons. The wizard control enables you to design a long form in such a way that you can work in multiple subforms. It reduces the work of developers to design multiple forms. It enables user to create multi-step user interface. Wizard control provides with built-in previous next functionality. It contains one or more wizard step as child control. Only one wizard step is displayed at a time. Wizard step control has an important property called as step type. The step type property determines the type of navigation buttons that will be displayed for that step.